In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for EastWest Bank online banking account. If you want to have access to your financial transactions, account details, account histories, your payments, and your fund transfer, then registering for online banking could be the best decision. By the completion of your registration process, you can have access to your bank account anytime and anywhere online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. Now on the search field, search for eastwestbanker.com. Once you land onto an interface like this, go to the login now and tap onto their personal account. Once you are directed to the login page of EastWest online banking account, go and tap onto sign me up. Now you will land onto the registration page of EastWest online banking. Now before you get started, you will need to have your EastWest debit, prepaid card, deposit account number or EastWest credit card and your mobile phone with the number registered to the EastWest bank account. If you have the documents and the details, go and tap onto I have read and agree with the EW electronic banking service terms and conditions. Once you do that, go and tap and continue. So go and tap on yes. Now you'll be directed to another page where you have to provide your account details. So go to card number and type in the card number in the text field here. Then enter your PIN number. And once done, go and tap and confirm. Now once you have entered your debit or prepaid card details, a one-time password will be sent to your mobile phone. Enter the code in the text field, then tap and confirm. Then you will land onto another page where you have to create your credentials. So create a unique username for yourself, then set a password. Now re-enter your password in order to confirm, then tap and confirm. After you set your username and password, now you'll have to choose your 3 security questions and then type your answer. And remember, do not forget your answer to your security questions. Now you can tap and continue. Now you will land onto another page where you have to enter your card number and a date of expiration. You can see that in front of your card. Then you'll be taken to another page where you can review the following information that you have provided. Once you are sure, go and tap and continue. By tapping and continue, you will have successfully registered for EastWest online banking account. So this will wait for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.